Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your voice crisp in Adobe Audition. Creating a crisp and clear voiceover or audio track in Adobe Audition involves several steps to refine, enhance, and optimize the recording. Now, let's open your Audition and make sure you have audio created or imported to make edits. Now, let's try the noise reduction. First, select a portion of your audio that only contains background noise, no speech. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, Noise Reduction Process. Click on Capture Noise Print. This tells Audition what to remove. Now go back to Noise Reduction Process and adjust Noise Reduction and Reduce by sliders to fine-tune the noise removal. Then hit Apply. Tip: be cautious not to overdo it, as excessive noise reduction can make the audio sound unnatural. Let us apply Equalization EQ. Go to Effects, Filter and EQ, Graphic Equalizer, 10 bands. Increase higher frequency bands slightly to add brightness and clarity to the voice. This is the example settings: 8 kHz, 3 decibels, 16 kHz, 3 decibels too. Adjust the mid-range frequencies to add presence. This is the example settings: 2 kHz plus 2 decibels, 4 kHz plus 2 decibels. Cut the low frequency bands to remove any unwanted rumble or muddiness. Example settings: 63 Hz, -2 decibels, 125 Hz, -1 decibels. Click Apply to finalize the EQ settings. Tip: adjust the EQ settings according to the unique characteristics of your voice and recording environment. Let us use compression. Go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Dynamics Processing. Use the compressor to even out the audio levels and make the voice stand out. Adjust the threshold to -20 decibels. Ratio to 3:05.1. Now go to Settings and adjust the attack to 5 ms and adjust the release to 100 ms. Now go back to Dynamics. You can use the makeup gain to bring back any lost volume by adjusting the dB. Then hit Apply. Tip: compression helps in maintaining a consistent volume level, making the voice more prominent and clear. Let us add the ESSER. Go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, the ESSER. Set the frequency to around 5 kHz or 8 kHz, where sibilance often occurs. Adjust the threshold to control the amount of reduction. Then hit Apply once you made changes. Tip: use the ESSER to minimize harsh S sounds that can be distracting. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.